we're at Donington again.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
As you can probably see from the weather, the last time we were here, it was an MG race with Jaguars as well on my birthday, and it hailed. If I remember, I'll try and edit a bit of the footage that looked like Lord of the Rings in. But anyway, besides that, greetings people of the interwebs and welcome to another Smashing Pistons video with me, Frodo I suppose it'd be, or Samwise. We are here at Donington. It's a Donington motorcycle track day, so we thought why not have a bit of a travel down, have a look at what's going on, and then go and get some lunch somewhere afterwards. I didn't count on it being so rainy, but we'll have a look, see what's happening, and let's have a look. They never had any virgins in there. So Dave's brought his bus with him. And I've brought Emily down. And it's raining still. So it's a track day that we're at, and these are going to be, I assume, be amateurs and intermediates and not intermediates. So we'll be able to possibly tell from the amount of lean angle they get how unamateur they are, if that's even a phrase.
Right, well, that time has come out. We're going to see how big these guys' absolute technicals are. Theo, what is this? This is probably the most terrible thing you'll ever watch, the Avalos. It's the most boring thing on YouTube right now.
So that Honda is it's the second one. The first ones were like all square, they called them jelly molds.
Okay.
And then they went to that, which I think will still be a steel frame, but in a slightly better package.
Okay. I'll
Very
change
nice.
the frames later on then.
Yeah, they became an alley box frame.
Oh wow.
This one's got lights that aren't lights. Fake lights. we go. So we're just at the grandstand area, which you might recognise from a car thing I did before. But you'll see that this part there is the other part of the hairpin that we've just been stood at, and then they'll go around behind this building. There they go, and they come down here. Right way down there, it's at first corner. It would be quite fun to do one of these track days. I mean, not necessarily in the wet, because I don't think I'd enjoy that, to be too honest. But yeah, really having the opportunity to explore the bike a bit more, on knowing that there's not cars coming other direction on road, is be quite nice. So yeah, maybe it is something I'll do in future, if I keep the bike or if I buy a different bike. Quite fancy a ZX6R, obviously in green, but we shall see what the future holds. One thing you might notice is they get tucked in behind the screen, some of them. Personally, I'm not entirely certain there's that much of an advantage of doing that. Certainly at the speeds that I'd be doing. Very loud. Dave's just been saying that there's a decibel rating limit of 98, I think it is, but a lot of these seem a lot louder than 98. Maybe it's just how much beans they're giving them, or maybe it's the fact that you can take baffles out of bike's exhaust easier. So maybe they had baffles in and then they took them out. I've just noticed there's a different pit entrance. I thought they were coming in a different area. I'll show you where I thought they were coming in. This is the normal pit entrance, but yeah, there's some cones there. They're actually coming in down there. And then round this bit into pits like that. The sun's trying to come out.
But you just a black person to say it.
We have a red flag situation, people. A red flag situation. They'll be coming in down there in a sec. Here we go. So we think these are the amateur guys because quite a lot of these are road bikes. Another little KTM. So yeah, they've red flagged it, so they're getting more to line up again in the pits. I assume they're going to need to clear some debris off the track. That looks like a fairly new Honda, that. ZX6R. Very nice. So we shall see what happens.
You need to change gears.
Yeah, if you've ridden a bike with gears, it kind of just, it's like, oh, I get it, yeah, I can't pedal uphill in, whatever it was, 21 speed or something.
That's it. If you're in the highest gear, you go to a slight incline.
21st gear.
You're gonna have to have fucking legs like Arnold Schwarzenegger to try and power up there.
I was tempted to off. It's got a lot of excuses when it comes to making arrangements, just stuff like that, so I'm not even going to bother.
Doesn't really need a car now, but but it's an automatic. You can drive manual. The gears.
So Matt's made us pull up at side at road here, because we thought we could have a look at this airfield thing. I'll show you some through this bit of a fence here, and you can't really get very close. But if you look there, you can just about see there's some aeroplanes. In fact, let me see if I can zoom in. There you go, that's a bit better. I've got another lens, but that's the DHL thing, so that'll be like airmail in shizzle like that. Because Donington Park is like opposite side of that hill over there, I think. So we'll have a look further around other way and see what we can see if we can see anything else. I can see there's a control tower, so there must be more stuff further at that direction over this way. There's a giant thistle over there, and some more aeroplanes.
I didn't ask, I spoke French, but I did.
Yeah, no idea what anything of this is, but it's interesting. I don't know what I'm filming. Everything's so far away. But it's interesting, I suppose. Do you know anything about planes?
No, apart from they're bloody great big things that somehow manage to go up in the sky.
Yeah,
and defy all laws of gravity.
They defy physics.
They do. They defy physics, and I love that.
But not as much as helicopters.
Helicopters is witchcraft.
Yeah.
And even better. But
apparently bumblebees defy physics.
yes, they do. For saying they're such a big fat body and then little wings, but yet they still manage to. I think that's why they're a bit bumbly.
Yes.
That's why Lee Evans once did a comparison saying that bumblebees are basically twats with shotguns.
Yes, they are. They're all over the place.
They just go. Yeah, they don't have a purpose of going in that direction. It's wherever the wind takes them.
That was quite a good impression of Lee Evans.
I've watched him way too many times.
Have you seen the film that he's in?
Which one?
Oh, not Mousetrap. I'm on about.
I like Mousetrap. I like him in that one. I like him in. Is it Fifth Element?
Oh yeah, he's in.
He's in that. Yeah, for a bit. He plays one of the crew. And
he's in a film. I think it's called Freeze Frame.
Okay.
And I'll tell you that I'll stop recording and then I'll tell you about it, and then everybody that's watching this will have to find out for themselves. It's raining, but we've found some sort of pub type affair, so we're going to go and have some lunch. I'll show it you now. We're going to investigate Matt's expert parking. What's wrong with that?
It's unroaded, mate. It's unroaded.
That is in a space. Well, it was a space. So we've got my car, Dave's car, and Matt's car with its big sticky out Pamela Anderson face.
Urban on Rover.
The Urban on Rover. I mean, you are doing a bit of urban off-roading there. Yeah, very good. It did get very rainy, everything's very wet. You think that Michael Bay guy will be around here somewhere?
Could well be.
There's a transformer there. Hey! Jokes. After you guys. Now I can run off. Haha! I'm not. So thank you for joining our little trip out to wonderful sunshiny Donington. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends, share with the general population really, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.